Let's make some tacos dorados the way my mom taught me. I mean, just listen to the crunch. These are so good. You're gonna start with some ground beef, 1 pound, and some olive oil. Break it up. Once it's nice and browned on one side, add in all of these seasonings. Toast them up for another minute or two. Once the meat is almost fully cooked, you're gonna add in some diced potatoes, as small as you can get them. Cook those for about 7 minutes, then add in some chopped onion, a red bell pepper, use green if you have it. You're gonna continue cooking for about 10 to 15 minutes or until the potatoes are fully tender. You're gonna fry up your own tortillas. I'll make a separate video. The video is gonna be too long if I did it all in one, but then with the tortilla shell, you're gonna get the beans, some cheese, some of that taco meat, some sour cream, salsa verde, lettuce, tomato, and enjoy.